This is how cement is manufactured inside massive industrial factories every single day.
From raw limestone to powerful construction cement, and this is the complete process.
Cement production begins with limestone mining at massive industrial quarry sites.
Loaded dump trucks transport raw limestone directly to the cement manufacturing plant. Large crushers break the limestone into smaller, manageable stone fragments. The crushed limestone moves forward through automated conveyor belt systems.
The crushed stone is ground into fine raw powder using powerful grinding mills.
The fine raw materials are blended evenly inside tall industrial silos. The blended raw meal enters the preheater tower for temperature preparation. The heated material moves into a massive rotating kiln at extreme temperatures.
Inside the kiln, the material is burned at over 1,000 degrees Celsius.
The intense heat transforms the material into small, hard nodules called clinker. Hot clinker is rapidly cooled using powerful air cooling systems.
Samples are tested in laboratory conditions to ensure strength and quality.
The finished cement powder is stored inside sealed industrial silos.
Automated machines fill cement into heavy-duty packaging bags precisely.
Each cement bag is sealed securely to prevent leakage during transportation.
Filled cement bags are weighed and checked for accurate measurement.
Packed cement bags are stored temporarily inside factory warehouses.
The cement is finally mixed with sand and water to form strong concrete.